Yes.
Item number 2, my lord, the petitioner is seriously ill, my lord, for last 5 months.
Hmm.
My lord, I pray for 6 weeks more time. I will come the other side of this.
6 weeks.
6 weeks time to file that case, my lord. So,
Affidavit.
affidavit, my lord.
What a reply.
Yes, reply you have to file, my lord. That is important, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. J. N. Sahil, early senior counsel for the petitioner, and the prayer not being objected to by Mr. Who is? Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
6 weeks.
6 weeks. 4. So as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
May it please, Aditya.
Lord, I'm mentioning an urgent matter. It was filed yesterday. May I wait till this tomorrow, my lord?
What is the urgency?
Urgency is, my lord, I am a school. It's a renowned school, my lord, and notice has been issued under the Land Grabbing Act. This is my opinion.
Can it be taken day after? I mean on Monday.
Monday, tomorrow. They filed it yesterday. Actually,
Why you want to trouble all of us on Friday? Anyway.
I'm deeply
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention for listing of an urgent matter today itself, my lord, regarding demolition of a building in just Ulubari, near the Ulubari flyover.
Not
my lord.
today, not today.
My
Tomorrow.
lord, we are apprehending that today.
It already demolished.
No, my lord, they have given 7 days time. We made a representation requesting some time that had been rejected, my lord. So now, my lord, we are apprehending that today they may come up with man and machine, my lord.
No, even if they do it, it cannot help it. We'll take it up tomorrow. Tomorrow.
my lord. My lord. Obliged.
My lord, item 30 with the consent of my friend. It is
30.
after next week, my lord.
30.
30, my lord. I have taken consent of that.
30. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Motion?
Motion.
Why?
I have some difficulty to
What difficulty? Why this has been listed?
Because I was directed to file the immediate cost title. I filed it. So, matter next week.
On the prayer of Mr.
Jai Hind.
J. Ahmed Lani, counsel for the petitioner, list this matter of petitioners, list this matter after
Next.
2 weeks.
Next week.
2 weeks.
May it please, my lord. My lord, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 34 and 35 of the supply list, my lord. The conducting counsel, Mr. B. Gogoi, can prepare this matter, my lord, into some prefix part matters, my lord.
34 and 35.
34 and 35 of the supply list, my lord.
You are for?
I am for the respondent, my lord.
You have taken consent.
Meeting will be taken up after the
On the prayer of Mr.
H. Borua, my lord.
H. Buru, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
B. Gogoi, my lord.
B. Gogoi. Dr. B. Gogoi.
B. Gogoi, standing.
Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, finance and taxation department. And the prayer not being objected to by Mr. P. Das, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner, this matter after 2 weeks,
Vacation, after the vacation.
after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 22 and 23, my lord, connected matter, and for the petitioner matter, I have taken consent from the other side, my lord. So in this case, my lord, we are supposed to file reply affidavit, my lord, 2 weeks time may be given.
Mr.
D. Gogol on behalf of Mr. Sodip Del.
D. Gogoi, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S. D. learned counsel for the petitioners. Praised for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
Yes, after 2 weeks. Reply, bless. May it please, your lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 7 of today's list. And led by senior counsel Mr. I. Chaudhary in the matter. He's out of town today. Can it be taken up after the vacations, my lord?
Where he is?
He is in Delhi, my lord.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. S. Bishokarma, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
You are for?
For a private respondent,
Mr.
A for the judge.
A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for respondent number
8 to 12.
8 to 12 is present. You are also A. Bhattacharya. He is also A. Bhattacharya. Cousins? Okay.
A for the judge.
What is the difference? Bhattacharya and Bhattacharya?
A-double-E and Y.
No, not from same kind of.
No, no, my lord.
Okay. Bhattacharya, huh? It is Bhattacharya.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18, Lordship, I'm for the respondent. Lordship, I'm praying for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in this matter.
On the prayer of MS,
A. Pradhan.
A Pradhan, learned counsel for the respondent. List this matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, so as to enable her to file affidavit in opposition.
There is an interim lordship with the side
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. You are there.
for the petitioner.
You are Mr.
B. Sarma.
Then you said Mr. B. Sharma, counsel for petitioner is present. Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Thank you.
May I please your lordship with respect to item number 10 and 19.
10?
10 and 19. Lordship, the same subject matter is pending before the apex court, lordship. So let the matter be taken up after the apex court decides the matter, lordship.
That was against the
Notification 9 of 23 and 24.
judgment of division bench.
Division bench, it is also pending and it is also pending before the apex court also.
Item 10,
10 and 19, lordship.
10 and 9. Same.
Same, lordship.
It is submitted by Mr. Agent
KJ.
Jain, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. S.C. Kher, learned standing counsel, learned senior counsel, come standing counsel,
CGS.
CGST, that similar matter, the issue involved in this matter is under examination of the before the Honorable it is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter after
After 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
10 and 19.
10 and 19.
Yes.
10, there is an interim order that may be coming.
Huh?
Item number 10, there is an interim order.
Yes.
Lordship, with respect to item number 33 of the supplementary list, lordship, this matter was required to be listed along with another matter, lordship. That matter is part hard before a coordinate bench of this court, lordship. That may be listed accordingly, lordship.
We'll say Mr.
B. Sharma.
P. Sharma.
B. Sharma.
B. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition submits that this
I have
the
the order.
relevant the analogous analogous matter has been heard by the coordinate bench of this court. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter along with the said matter listed. In view of let this matter be listed along with WPC
WPC 1468 of 2025.
146
8 of 2025.
8 of
I have
2025.
the orders, lordship.
Yeah,
I can place the orders, lordship.
it's okay. You have given the edit petition number. Mr. K. Jain, learned counsel for the respondent is present. Yes,
Interim is there, lordship. Interim is there in the
interim order passed earlier shall continue.
obliged, lordship. Please, lordship, with respect to item number 3, the petitioners have filed one IA, lordship. They have not received the copy of the IA. Let it be taken on Monday, lordship. Three. Item number 3, lordship.
Item number 3, they have not received the main party is CGST, madam. I'll serve it today, madam.
Let it be taken on Monday, lordship.
Monday, madam.
Is for CGC.
For the CGST, lordship.
Huh?
For the CGST.
3.
It is submitted by Mr. K. Jain, learned counsel appearing for CGST, respondent CGST, that he has not been furnished with, he has not received the copy of the interlocutory application. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks.
On Monday.
After 1 week. After 1 week.
Date may be fixed, madam.
Praise the Lord, list after 1 week. Miss MS,
And Gogoi.
huh?
And Gogoi.
And Gauhati learned counsel for the petitioner to furnish the copy of the interlocutory application being IS Civil 1709 of 2026.
Lordship. Much okay.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Why?
It is like, while of that, I have filed the IA.
IA is for what?
IA is regarding during the pendency of the case, my lord, an adjudication order has been passed by the CGST. That's why, my lord.
22. 22.
highly obliged.
That's all. That is not it. But I beg to mention for item number 21, madam. Madam, matter may be referred to the mediation, madam, for amicable settlement.
Why?
Madam, that this is a boundary demarcation, madam, land boundary. So, madam,
Yes.
matter may be
No, that will be listed before the court.
mediation, madam, for amicable settlement.
Hmm.
This is a boundary demarcation, madam, land boundary.
Yes, the respondent.
See, they,
The notice, I think, Lordship, notice.
Admission matter. For admission, item number 21 for admission.
Here, the official Lordship, there are private parties are also there.
we'll list after 1 week. You inform the other parties also.
Madam,
It is submitted by Mr.
B. Islam.
B. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. That matter may be referred to for mediation. Mr. However, considering that, however, there are private respondents apart from the state respondents. In view of, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Develop.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a fresh petition, my lord, it was filed on 10/6/2026, my lord. Can it be taken up tomorrow, my lord, the motion column, my lord?
Monday,
My lord, the matter is relating to eviction, my lord, there is grave urgency, my lord.
Monday. When you are apprehending eviction,
My lord, the petitioner were earlier having settlement orders in their favor, my lord. Yes, they were having, my lord, settlement orders in their names, my lord.
okay,
Yes,
then
yes.
you will not be evicted if you have the settlement orders.
My lord, they have put banners in front of my residence declaring me encroacher, my lord. They have informed me that I will be evicted within 2 days, my lord.
Who?
The authorities, my lord.
No, without notice, how can you be?
My lord, eviction drive has already started in Birubari, my lord.
Huh?
Eviction drive has already started, my lord. That has been reported in the daily newspaper, my lord.
We don't take cognizance of the media report. Unless it is very, very
My lord, Friday, my lord, there is grave urgency, my lord. Otherwise,
Monday. Right.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, with the function of the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 12 and 13.
12 and 13. Yes.
You have paper. On number 3.
You are for respondent.
I wish to mention for listing of 2 cases, my lord. One is
On the prayer of Miss MS.
In the car.
Huh?
In the car.
Appearing on behalf of
Deka.
Mr. D. Deka, learned counsel for the respondent number 3. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship? I wish to mention for listing of 2 cases, my lord. One is for withdrawal, my lord, and another for admission, my lord. On 17, my lord.
17. What is the urgency?
My lord, one is for withdrawal, my lord. Matter.
It's
has
okay.
become-
Withdrawal will allow.
And another matter has not. been
Withdrawal
listed.
tomorrow. Withdrawal tomorrow.
My lord, sir, I have some difficulty.
Other one is
I have some difficulty with tomorrow, my lord. That is first
withdrawal on 17.
My
Then
lord. Another one has not been listed from December, my lord. The
What-
matter was to be listed.
what
after
is the
14
urgency?
My lord, regarding the
Other one is in that case 24. June 24. You mentioned that this one. Okay. Withdrawal 17, other one 24. Yes. Yes.
But you said. There was a matrimonial discord, my lord. The petitioner has left Gauhati on 15/3/2026, along with 2 children. One is aged 10 years and another is 7 years. One is in class 6 and another is class 1. They were studying at KV at Gauhati, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Now, they intended to admit it at Pingshukia KV. There is a Kendriya Vidyalaya. So the petitioner has applied for a transfer certificate at KV Gauhati.
Where you are now?
Yes.
Where you are now?
I am at Pingshukia now.
You want to get your children at Tinsukia?
Pingshukia, my lord. I left the matrimonial home.
Hmm.
So therefore, we applied for the transferred and bona fide certificates. Now the principal has refused on saying that,
You have separated.
yes,
You have separated.
yes,
Divorced.
no divorce, I'm just left.
Why?
With the matrimonial discord, my lord.
Why you should leave?
That's
Why you
the
should
problem.
leave?
That's the problem, my lord. Otherwise, how a lady staying in married in 2014, my lord.
Hmm.
So she has left, but the father has objected for granting transfer certificate. So therefore, the principal has refused. My lord, kindly have a look at my application at page 18.
Which for the school? Who is the? Is there any legal? I mean, judicial order for custody of the children?
No, nothing. They are minor staying with the mother.
Ah, that's what I'm saying. But then
The principal
one to one,
cannot.
one
The
ha-
principal
no
cannot-
one has to have a guardianship. I mean, custody of the child.
Now, there's a separate issue, my lord.
If you,
The only issue
yeah,
is now,
but if you just taken it them forcefully,
not forcefully, madam.
maybe children wants to be with the father.
That's a separate issue. This issue is now whether the principal can refuse
And
the
the- and
transfer
the-
certificate.
Children would like to be here in the Guwahati. It's a metropolitan
Yes,
city,
correct.
rather than in the Tinsukia.
Correct, my
At
lord.
Tinsukia,
Correct.
so we'll have to see the interest of the children also.
There's a separate.
Anyway, that is separate issue. But
Separate.
then,
My only submission, my lord, the principal cannot refuse as per the statutory obligation, my lord.
who is for the principal?
The principal is
It's for the school.
I'm.
Nobody.
The notice has to go, Lordship.
Will issue notice or what?
The issue is
You'll
that
take, you ask your assisting counsel to take, I mean, petition take dusty, so that we can consider after 2 weeks.
kindly have a look at the section 5, subsection 3 of the.
It's okay, we understood, but then we have to hear them.
This can be disposed of the motion stage, my lord, because this is a statutory obligation of the principal to issue the transfer certificate, my lord. He cannot refuse.
Where it is.
That is section 5 of
The
the.
problem is issuance is not a problem. His statute, he has the duty to issue, but problem is who would the children who would like to be with, I mean, to whom they would like to be.
This
Either the
separate-
father or the mother.
That's a separate.
No. Just because if the children wants to study here, and if the father or the for that matter mother takes them away forcefully just because they have a matrimonial discord, that will be against the interests of the children.
That's Lordship is very correct. Right? Lordship is very
We'll have
correct.
to. It's not. I mean.
Now the problem is the children should be suffer from this matrimonial discord. Now they cannot get admitted for these. Now how could
They were studying here.
No. The mother along with the children, they were left the matrimonial home
When?
on 15/3/2026. The mother along with the children, they were forced to leave the matrimonial home and they are now residing together. Now the children are left the school.
How old the children are?
They are only 10 years and 7 years now. So therefore, the every day
No,
is important.
suppose father wants the children to be here, to study here. Kendra Vidyalaya.
Yes.
That too at Gauhati. Then
Then
just
the,
because mother had left because of the matrimonial discord,
that
that will
issue,
be not interest of this thing.
that issue cannot.
That's the reason why if do the mother have the
I
custody,
understand,
legal
I
custody?
understand, my lord, the query of this honorable court,
Hmm.
but the issue is the writ petition only concerned with whether the principal can refuse or not.
No, beyond
That's
that,
the issue.
beyond it's a writ court. We'll go beyond that for
That's-
for the welfare of
No.
the children.
And therefore, the custody.
Suppose
issue-
if the father can look after them, and if it is better for them to study in Gauhati like metropolitan city like Gauhati, that too Kendra Vidyalaya.
If we
Why just
a
because
problem, my
mother
lord.
takes them away and
I understand that the problem is, if it is decided, it takes some time, and therefore the
BKP
children will
doesn't
deprive
have
of their educational right.
Kendra Vidyalaya doesn't have the boarding facility.
No, sir. No.
What does father do?
He's a bank officer.
Bank officer.
He's a bank officer.
You? I mean the petitioner?
The petitioner is doing some online at home. She is receiving some 40,000 rupees. She is now at parents' house.
Anyway, in that case, we'll issue notice. Cannot we
That's
cannot discuss.
there's nothing to say, my lord. The only my problem is
See, we'll see short, within
what
short.
I am anxious about, that the children is out of the school now, and the Kendriya Vidyalaya will not get them admitted unless the transfer certificate is issued. That the issue that is the only issue. Otherwise, it can be heard after the issuing of.
It is you who is, putting a trouble, putting trouble to the children.
There is no alternative, my lord. I cannot go to the home and I cannot assess the situation of the husband and wife. But for their matrimonial dispute,
No, I'm not to you, not to you. Not as a senior counsel. I'm talking about the petitioner only.
No, that's I'm answering, my lord.
How
Now
can I
we
say
cannot enter into that. We cannot, the husband and
How
wife.
can I ask you to go and assess?
Therefore-
That to a senior lawyer.
So therefore, the question is, how could that problem cannot be sorted now at this stage?
In this case,
And
father of the children has been made a party.
And then
who are you?
definitely.
Are you appearing for father?
No, no,
Then
That's, he has objected.
I'm only saying, my lord.
madam, you submit
I'm
Let
just.
him appear
for whom you are appearing.
to CBSE.
You submit on behalf of the CBSE.
My lord, my only one humble request, that the subsection 3 says that the principal on the application of transfer cannot refuse.
Where is that subsection?
That, my lord, kindly have a look. Section 5, subsection 3. My lord.
Free
It is
education,
CBD obligation
free
of
and
the-
compulsory education.
Yes, my lord.
Subsection 5, right of transfer to other school.
Yes, my lord.
Seeking admissions are the headmaster or in charge of the school where the children was less immediately issued it. Where in school there is no provision for completion of elementary, a child shall have a right to seek transfer so and so, where a child is required to move from one school to another, either with a state or outside foreign. Have a right to seek transfer to any other.
May I put only one request, my lord, if your lordship will allow. One request, my lord. We will.
You cannot read the-
Lordship query.
Sir,
Lordship.
we cannot read the subsection 3 in isolation. You have to read subsection 1, 2. This is the mother.
Yes, yes.
It's not a children that who is to be admitted or
I understand.
study in the other school.
What I am proposing, my lord. My only request is, lordship's query and lordship concern is very, very important, which I am also do agree with this. Now, my only request is that let the children be immediately admitted provisionally at Tingshukia KV, my lord. There is the same say, KV, subject to the outcome of this. And if lordship is ultimately, we have all heard the parties, whatever the welfare of the child, that we have to do. That's my only submission.
Today we'll issue notice. We'll fix the matter on that and ask your, assisting counsel to take dusty to the father and as well as the school.
Right.
We'll list after, maybe on somewhere, we'll give the fix then.
On
June
22nd, madam.
June 22nd or 23rd. 23rd will fix.
Right.
Considering the interest of the child.
Yes,
children.
that's the only
Yes.
issue, my lord. Otherwise,
Heard Mr. B. That the learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. S. Dekha, learned counsel for the petitioner. List of next paragraph. Agreed by the refusal to issue transfer certificate. Certificates, transfer and bona fide certificates by the school authorities
Respondent number 4, my.
of PM's no PM Sri Kendra Vidyalaya CRPF within bracket GC bracket close Ameri Gok, Gauhati. 9th mile. No. Amir Gog, Jorabat, Gauhati. This petition is instituted by the petitioner, who is the mother of 10 years and 7 years, 10 years child, 10 and 7 years old children who were studying in the said school. List of next para. The petitioner is stated to have left the matrimonial home along with her 2 children due to matrimonial discord with her husband. Respondent number
3, sir.
3. List of next para. By referring to the who left this matrimonial dispute, left Gauhati due to this matrimonial discord with her husband, respondent number 3. And is living with her children at Tinsukia.
At Tinsukia at parental house.
A parental house at Tinsukia. List of. It is the contention of the petitioner that since the children are with her at Tinsukia, who wish to study at Tinsukia, the respondents and the respondent authorities of school authority is incumbent, is duty bound to issue the transfer and bona fide certificates for the interest of her children. Mr. Next para. Mr. B. Datta, senior counsel, when referring to the section 5 of Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, 2019, semester. Since the children have already moved from Gauhati to Tinsukia, for which the school authorities cannot refuse to issue the required certificates for admission in the other school. Which of such refusal would be in the teeth of subsection 3 of section 5 of the said act. List of issue notice returnable within 23 06/2020. 6 next para is MS Bora BM
Arbora.
Arbora learned TGC. No, and as Miss MS P Bora and Bora and Arbora learned counsels for the respondent 1 and 2. Entrance appearance except knowledge on behalf of the above respondent, no formal notice need be served to our exec office will furnish to the learned counsel for the above respondents. Next para. The non-counsel for the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5 by Dusty Mode. In view of the fact that the no, it's okay. Please stop. Dusty Mode, huh? Thereafter to file affidavit in regarding the proof of such service. List of considering that the children of the petitioner and respondent number 3 are out of school since 3rd March,
15th March.
15/03/2026. Come on. The pendency of the petition shall not be a bar for the respondent number
This one 5, my lord.
5 to issue.
No, this one 4, my lord.
Respondent 4.
To issue the
The authorities of respondent 4 to issue required certificates.
provisional
For the-
transfer certificate, my lord, that can be.
Will say required certificate in the interest of the children. List on 23rd.
In this case, I'm for the KBA.
Hmm.
My name is not reflected in the court list.
Ah,
I may be allowed to make submission.
caveat is there. Caveat is not listed.
Yes.
Caveat is not listed. When did you file there?
Yes, on earlier occasion, one writ petition was filed by the petitioner.
Hmm.
It was annexure 6. My name was reflected. Kindly
Hmm.
page 34.
When did you file the caveat?
Yes, on 19/3/2026.
In the earlier writ petition. Then this is a fresh writ petition.
Yes. But we have.
Why you have filed a fresh?
Because in the earlier writ petition, your lordship, the improper party respondents were impleted.
Hmm?
Party respondents were not impleted properly, therefore only.
Okay.
But although your lordship, we have served the copy, your lordship, to the capiator.
Okay, we'll issue notice.
No, my lord.
But herein, the issue is, your lordship, in election.
Before the conclusion of the trial,
Yes,
the tribunal
Interim order has
wants to recount the vote,
yes.
ballot papers.
The petitioner approached before this honorable court by not annexing the relevant document,
Hmm.
which was relied upon by the learned tribunal.
Ah.
Learned tribunal relying upon the document,
Hmm.
But before,
relevant document, passed the order.
Well, just hear him. Just hear him.
Yes.
2 minutes. You make your submission. What is your case? 2 minutes. Make your submission. What is your case?
Here in the case is that, Your Lordship, the petitioner and the respondent number 6, they contested the Panchayat election.
That I have
Petitioner
understood.
won the election.
There was an election petition
Yes.
before the
And
tribunal.
thereafter, the election petition was filed with the respondent number 6, and in that election petition, an interim order has been passed, that is page 30.
So you have filed a written statement.
We have filed written statement, Your
What
Lordship.
is the stage of the trial?
No evidence yet not has reduced, Your Lordship.
Issue has to be framed.
Yes,
Issues has to be framed. Have to be framed.
yes,
Huh?
but
It
yes,
has been framed.
yes, issue has not yet, I think, so far, whatever instruction I received, Your Lordship, issue has not yet been framed.
You have you have filed a written
Ma-
statement.
I have filed.
Then what is the order? Let us see the order.
Page 30, Your Lordship.
30.
Yes. Page 30 and relevant portion is page 32, Your Lordship.
30. Miles reference so and so. Filed by petitioner so and so challenging counting of votes as well as election of the unit membership for the
Page 32, Your Lordship.
in president, she was a candidate in the last president member so and so, wherein the respondent was also a candidate and the testing votes under promotional certain. Total number of votes shown in form so and so do not tell each other that the counting officer did not count the postal ballot and that the counting officer obviously rejected the ballot box and searching. Yes.
And the
So
next,
trial is not required.
yes.
That was-
And the tomorrow, Your Lordship, and 12.
Trial is not required.
That was speaking order passed by the learned tribunal.
Where is the question of speaking? It's the election case, election petition. You will have to trial as per the law. Trial has to go as per the law.
Kindly peruse annexure 2, my lord.
How can they? Huh?
18. Kindly peruse annexure 2, page 18, my lord.
Hmm.
That was the petition filed by the respondent number 6 before the learned tribunal by annexing really the relevant document. Annexure 1.
Sir, are you aware what the election, how the election cases are tried?
Those documents are not annexed before this honorable court, and from the document, it is apparent that total votes.
There cannot be a summary proceedings. It's an election petition.
Yes, my lord. Tomorrow, no party will be prejudiced,
How?
my lord, because there was an anomaly in the counting process.
See, wrongly or rightly, petitioner has been elected. Against that, you file an election petition.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
What procedure will regulate in the election petition? CPC.
Yes.
Trial will be there. Is not it? They file a written statement. There cannot be any summary proceedings.
But, my lord,
Is it a summary proceedings? Is it a summary proceeding? Then I'm asking, I don't know.
no, my lord, it revision lies.
Huh?
Civil revision rights
What civil revision?
against that.
No. He's not a district judge. Maybe he's a district judge, but as an authority under the act only.
Yes, but that was.
He's trying an election petition.
Current tribunal relied upon that document annex final
He's a
result
tribunal only.
Form 9A.
Huh?
Form 9A and
It's not a question of relying, not relying. It has to be proved and disproved. How can you come into conclusion that just because there appears to be a documents and appears to be there's no appears that the vote has not been counted properly. For that, you have to trial has to go and conclude the trial. Is they file a written statement.
Yes, my lord.
You read the impugn order.
There is an order passed by the other type.
We are staying this. Cannot be allowed. See, look at this. Read it, page 31, 32. Since the allegation of it is the total number of votes do not tell each other that the counting officer did not count the postal ballot and that the counting officer arbitrarily rejected, well, on what basis he has? It has to be proved. Whether arbitrarily rejected and whether it has been actually counted or not, that has to be proved.
Yes, my lord. But those documents not annexed by the petitioner in the petition, my lord.
On the face of it, it's not a. It cannot. You cannot have the order like this in an election petition. I'm asking whether in the election petition it is what election?
Panchayat election,
Panchayat election under which law?
Assam Panchayat.
Assam Panchayat Act, right?
Yes.
It's an election tribunal.
Yes.
It's guided by procedure. What law regulates for trial? CPC, obviously. Is it provided? Or is there a different proceedings? Can there be a summary? This is kind of a summary proceedings. It's foreign to the and very, very strange to the law of election jurisprudence. Hard Mister,
EM Khan.
where is staying? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 06/03/2026 passed by the learned district passed by district judge
Panchayat,
come
it will be Panchayat election.
Panchayat election tribe.
Come district judge.
District judge come Panchayat election tribunal, Gwalpara, whereby the district commissioner Gwalpara is directed to produce the ballot papers of the election of unit member ward number 8 Lezam, LEZM, Lezam within bracket KHA, polling within 2 Kamakiabari Anchalik Panchayat
Under 13 nang Sunari Gau Panchayat.
under
13 nang Sunari Gau Panchayat. Falling under 2 nang Kamakhyabari Ansarik Panchayat.
under 13 number Chunari Gau Panchayat, ward number 8 Lezam Kha, falling within 2 Kamakiabari Anchalik Panchayat, page 32. To facilitate counting of votes list of next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that he or she was elected as
Yes.
member of
Gau Panchayat member.
a Gau Panchayat member of ward number 8.
Yes.
Lezam Khan, same, so, which was declared on 11/05/2025. List of the respondent number
6.
6 filed an election petition before the election tribunal, Gwalpara, challenging the election of the petitioner, in which the the petitioner has filed a written statement. List of before no, at this stage, surprisingly, the Tribunal, Federal Election Tribunal has passed the impugn order. On the basis of the allegation of the election petitioner, I respond number 6, whereby directed the District Commissioner Golfara to produce the ballot papers of the election of unit member of ward number 8, Lejam Khan, under seal trunks for counting of votes before conclusion of the trial. List of next para. Issue notice returnable by 3 weeks. 3 weeks. As respondents are all represented as MS P. Tapa, Land Council for respondent 1 and 2, and
4 and 5.
who is 3 and 4? Who is 3? Assam State Election Commission. Huh? Mr. S.S. Roy Lanston 4 and 5 enters appearance in exit floor. That is on behalf of respondent number. Of the above respondents, no formal notice needed. However, extra copies. No, as well as Mr. K. Kalita, Land Council for respondent number 6. 3 of them. No formal notice needed. Land Council for the petitioners to take a stage for. You are 4 and 5.
I'm 4 and 5.
District election officer.
Yes.
Take a stage for service of notice upon respondent number 3. Rest are president. Next para.
Respondent number 3, there is a sitting council. R2 is the sitting council.
Where is Ardube? Have you furnished a copy?
Not furnished,
Yes, I have
but names were not shown.
names. A standing council election commission is there. The
Hmm?
notice
Where it is?
in the cause list shown, your lordship. HC Assam State Election.
Yes, it's shown. Not.
You take, in that case, you inform me.
Yes, I'll.
Ardube. Then all of them, huh? Tafa, S.S. Roy. No, Ardube, S.S. Roy, huh? Then Kolita.
Yeah,
No formal. So it's next para. Having considering that the impugn order has been passed before the prime minister appears to have been passed before the conclusion of the election petition. Before the conclusion trial of the election petition, and also election trial of the election petition, the impugn order that is 0603/2026 still remains suspended till the next returnable date.
Date में kindly repeat.
After 3 weeks, you just keep that.
Like,
I don't know if any other law regulates for the election petition in state of Assam. I don't know. That's why I'm asking, Mr. Kalita. Maybe you may have a different procedure. But so far as the limited knowledge of this court is concerned, you cannot have this kind of. Huh?
Coordinate bench of this honorable court has already held. The Panchayat Election Tribunal has no power to pass interim order. Your lordship.
It's not the interim order kind of thing. It's not a question of interim order. On the face of it, you cannot have this kind of order. You may call for the records. And in fact, you cannot call for the records also. unless you issues has to be framed, issues have to be framed. I don't know.
Obliged.
Admission item 1.
What remains here?
Lordship. I have little difficulty today. I need to reconstruct my file. As I have shifted my office in 2000.
Is there any provision?
Yes, Lordship. There are judgment, but today I'm unable. I'll
2016
reconstruct
method will dispose it of.
No, Lordship.
See, last time we have directed you to enter the his
Instruction.
whether any instruction.
There is a scheme
Hmm.
for national family benefit scheme.
Hmm.
But sanctioning authority is Director Social Welfare Department. So Director Social Welfare Department is not the party. So first they have to, because it is a very old case,
Who has to initiate?
the government has to initiate for social welfare.
What is government?
I'm for health department.
Health department is not a government.
It is government, but
Who is the government? It's only social welfare.
no, not you all are government.
Then
but Separate council, we are representing.
why not concerned about the council?
Lordship, I
If
give direction to
if
the.
no, if she is entitled, if he or she, if he is entitled,
Yes.
there's no dispute as regards that.
There is no dispute. But Lordship, direction may be given to the Director Social Welfare Department and verify if he is entitled. Verification is necessary, Lordship, because.
But you may be correct when he is not, the social welfare is not a party here.
We will file
It
an
cannot,
IA. We will file an IA to implead.
Madam, this is 2016 matter.
Now
You
they
could
are
have,
saying that-
you could have.
And Lordship,
Direction
under NHM scheme, Janani Suraksha,
Do you have any
I have only.
particular provision? Do you have? Other what?
Only
There are
scheme
so
is-
many,
yes, yes,
there are,
Scheme is with me.
there are so many schemes.
Yes, this scheme is applicable in this case.
So he's and petitioner is entitled.
Yes, Lordship, he may apply for.
Did you apply?
Lordship.
Oh, second.
Chairman, Director General, Social Welfare Department. What does it mean?
I think it is a central scheme.
Kashmir.
It is a central scheme, Lordship. Central will pay and state
What
will
is
also,
the-
state will also contribute the same. The last line may be the detail in the last line.
Who has to, through whom the beneficiaries are being paid? NHM
Yes.
or
NHM.
social welfare?
Social welfare as well as NHM, Director, Mission Director, NHM.
Have you filed any affidavit?
No, Lordship, I have not filed any.
He is seeking only 15,000.
It is.
The expenses which he has incurred during the
Yes, yes. It is under.
medical treatment.
It is under Janani.
JSSK scheme, Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram. Under that, every expenses of medical expenses incurred during childbirth or during pregnancy. So it's free of cost and post delivery also.
So you are claiming only 15,000.
Yes, 11,000 which he has incurred, reimbursement of 11,000 and 20,000 under that National Family Benefit Scheme, Lordship, and a compensation, Lordship, and 1400 under the JSY scheme, Janani Suraksha Yojana scheme.
You bring on record under which scheme and how much the beneficiaries are entitled. There are so many schemes, right? As he says,
Yes,
as he has pointed out,
yes, so that scheme is before your lordship,
no, it's okay. It's not. It's only one scheme. She said there are so many schemes.
no, lordship, only two scheme.
Huh?
Janani Suraksha, it is under NHM,
Huh?
and this is the National Family Benefit Scheme is under Social Welfare Department.
Huh?
It is very clear, only two schemes he claims.
No, 3 schemes.
See,
There are 3 schemes. JSSK also is under the National Health Mission, which gives out no out-of-pocket expenditure for a pregnant.
so
or lactating child.
you are entitled for under the 3 schemes.
Yes.
Different I mean,
Yes,
kind of
yes.
amount.
Yes.
Say for example, pocket expenses.
Yeah, there should not be any
And
out-of-pocket
Then
expenditure.
one,
wherein-
then medicines.
Yes, everything.
Then the lump sum kind of
1500 under the JSY scheme.
you bring on record. She said so.
Only the two schemes we have not received, yes, lordship.
No, 3 schemes. How can you have it two schemes?
No.
These
One-
are all implemented throughout the country.
Yes, lordship,
Assam cannot be exception.
yes, lordship. Yes,
We
lordship.
could understand the state like Arunachal and Mizoram and
Yes, lordship, we will provide.
huh?
After vacation, lordship, we will.
What vacation? We'll finish it on 2016 matter. You bring it. Bring on record saying that whether he is entitled, what is the entitlement of the beneficiaries? Under what scheme and how much? Then we'll direct them.
Lordship, we will.
And in the meantime, you bring the social welfare,
Yes,
implement
Lordship.
them.
Yes, Lordship.
In that case, again, his notice has been issued. It's your lethargy.
No,
It's your lethargy that you are keeping matter is being keeping it unnecessary pending. When in 2016 matter,
yes.
could have asked for the instruction and could have disposed of the matter. And since the last order was 2023,
That scheme I have placed, that is the government share.
third MS
Two schemes under NHM.
D. Ghosh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Next para. Considering the considering the issue raised in this petition as regards the claim of expenses incurred during the treatment of the treatment of the wife of the petitioner at the prenatal stage, post and prenatal stage, pre and postnatal stage, right? Post also.
Yes, Lordship. And then it's a maternal death, then she died, Lord.
Who has unfortunately expired during the birth of during the childbirth. And the child the child also no it's okay childbirth, huh? Mr. MS
As Sarma for respondent to.
S. Sharma, Learned
Department.
Counsel for the Standing Counsel Health Department, Health and Family Welfare Department,
2 and 4.
is granted 3 weeks time to bring on record the bring on record the schemes under which the beneficiaries are entitled under which oblique what the beneficiaries of the schemes, including the petitioner, are entitled. List of, as pointed out by MS Sharma, Land Steering Council, that in some of the schemes of the central government, the Department of Social Welfare, Social Justice,
Social welfare.
Social Welfare,
It will be now WCD department because social welfare is divided.
Divided.
Social Welfare Department now,
Now it's women and women and child development department.
Women and Child Development Department,
Yes, sir.
MS goes to file an appropriate application for implement of the said department. List of, considering that the matter is pending since pending since 2016, the respondent, the parties shall first shall file the affidavits, applications on or before the next date of listing. List matter on after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks. 23rd. Hopefully,
Lordship.
am I clear?
Lordship.
Am I clear?
Yes, Lordship.
What you have to file is how many schemes are
Yes,
there?
yes, Lordship. I understand.
Under what schemes, according to you, or as per the scheme
Yes.
guidelines, the petitioner is entitled, and how much?
Yes.
Then will direct. If you don't want to pay,
Like.
or if you can pay also during pendency, there is no bar.
Lordship.
Hmm?
We'll communicate.
Every jagah.
Yes.
This item may be taken up with along with WBC number 5522 of 26.
Huh?
Everything out of same issue also.
Huh.
WBC 2255 of 2026.
Why?
Basically, Lordship, here in this petition, Lordship, we have challenged the interim notice, whereby Lordship, settling for sale proclamation was Lordship initiated and challenged that notice Lordship initially. Accordingly, Lordship initiated that notice was taken, subject to some amount.
You are not disputing the amount
So we
claimed
are
by them.
disputing
Then,
we are disputing that amount also.
huh?
We are disputing that amount also.
You have never, in your own pleading shows that you have never disputed.
It was disputed also, because they have not calculated the deduction portion during COVID period.
Huh?
In COVID period, some deduction was allowed by the central government.
But all along when the notice was given, you said that you have request, one after another, you have
That is.
sought for time to
Yes.
pay.
Lordship, we have already some also paid also. So in the meantime, Lordship, in 2025 August, an order was passed directing this petitioner to pay 5 crores. So that order was challenged before the division bench. Accordingly, Lordship, the honorable division bench set the order and allowed this petitioner to pay 2 crores something was there that has to be paid within 1 month. So if order was passed in Lordship 19th of August 2025 and 1 month was up to 18th of September 2025. Within a week, Lordship, after passing that order, within a week, Lordship, the respondent PF authorities has issued another demand notice on the same day of 26 September. And Lordship, the award tree guardian was handed over to some other person on the same day. That notification has now in challenge in WBC number Lordship 2255 of 2026.
You not listed here.
Yeah, not listed together also. So matter may be taken up together and my
I think division bench has settled the matter.
No, Lordship. No, Lordship. Division bench.
Kindly have the
Yes,
order.
I have the order also.
I have read the litigant portion of provisionless order also.
In view of the present findings arrived at by this court, whereof the consider of the impugn order section,
That,
4.8 is what?
no, Lordship kindly have the look.
What is 4.8? Also to be,
4/8 order has been challenged in division bench also. Lordship kindly have the
4825
order.
is of this court order. This was challenged by them.
Yes.
Ah.
They, after consideration, the division, honorable division bench has done some modification in the amount and also directed them to pay the balance amount of the demand notice, under the demand notice within 1 month. Thereafter, there was another direction where the stay order.
This order, this division bench, it was passed again, this was
It was passed.
against the interim order
Interim order.
in this writ
In the-
petition.
yes.
In this rate petition.
So Lordship kindly have the order of division bench Lordship. At the last page, page number, paragraph number 24 Lordship. The findings of the division bench is there. Lordship has a copy of division bench. also.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and just reading Lordship Roman 1. The direction for payment of rupees 5 crores by the appellant company to the respondent number 2 organization is set aside. However, the unpaid balance amount from the demand notice dated 2/4/22 for rupees so and so should be paid within 1 month from today, unless it can be shown that the said amount is an incorrect amount. If it is found that the amount claimed by the demand notice dated 2/4/22 is incorrect at the time of disposal of the writ petition, the excess amount paid by the appellant, if any, shall be adjusted from the subsequent build-up of the unpaid PF dues payable by the appellant. So, Lordship, this order was subject to disposal of this writ petition. So, this petition has to be disposed of also on the basis of merit, Lordship.
But subject to they,
Yes.
if they are not disputing the,
We are
they are
disputing
admitting the
also.
amount. man.
We are disputing the amount.
My lord,
Lordship.
will kindly come to the prayer page of
Yes.
this petition, my lord.
Yes, on not
The
the prayer,
the prayer, my lord.
other contents has to be looked into.
And it said, it is found that amount claimed by this is incorrect at the time of disposal of
Yes,
the
this
That
is
means this has
the
not been
same
disposed.
procedure.
They are not saying that this
That
amount is incorrect.
It is
They are
incorrect.
not, they are not saying, my lord, may kindly come to the prayer.
That is
My lord,
incorrect
may
amount. That is
kindly come to the
our.
prayer of this petition, my lord.
Lordship,
What is the other writ petition?
Other-
Thereafter, as per this order, you send a demand. You
Yes,
issued a demand
yes.
notice.
Okay.
Then they have again challenged that.
They have
No,
challenged that,
that is-
they have challenged the consequent developments.
Yeah.
Because there was no bar on us to
Lordship, what
issue
they have
another
done-
demand notice, my lord.
But then they
So
did
this
put,
petition goes, my lord, in a way, they had to pay 2 crores to us,
That-
the
yes.
balance amount from the notice of demand, which they have not challenged in this writ petition.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly come to the prayer page, my lord.
Prayer is.
For a second, my lord.
Prayer and the.
They are
See,
asking for
one
some time
thing,
to pay.
although it said at the time of disposal,
Yes.
right? But then are you disputing this
Amount.
339?
Yes.
Are you disputing? How?
Also, annex a document, Lordship will have.
How you are disputing
Yes.
this?
Lordship will
May
see
kindly come to
page
the prayer.
47.
Just wait.
Page 47, Lordship will.
How you dispute, why you are disputing this?
I am disputing only on the ground that Lordship, during COVID period, Lordship.
No.
No, Lordship, kindly have page 47, I have annexed a document also.
What documents?
In writ petition, Lordship.
What documents?
In writ petition, Lordship, kindly have put page 47.
What is that document? Tell us, no?
Lordship, this document says during COVID period, Lordship, central government has Lordship deducted 12 to 10%, Lordship, averages.
Huh.
That has not been calculated in this notice, Lordship. That is our demand.
So can you,
And against that, Lordship, we have also.
so have you raised that issue in the other writ petition?
In other
Have you raised the issue in the other writ petition?
grounds are in the subsequent writ petition, Lordship.
Huh?
All the grounds are there. Lordship.
Then we'll close this. You pursue that subsequent writ petition.
No, Lordship, this writ petition is required to be disposed of on the grounds of merit, Lordship, because the division bench has said the amount, if additional made claim by the respondent, that has to be adjusted on the outcome of the claim. So on the basis of I'm paying that, Lordship, since there is the order of division bench to adjudicate the writ petition and to dispose of this writ petition on the basis of
Where
documents.
is the direction of division bench?
Lordship,
Where it is?
Lordship, thus I have to read out. Lordship.
At the time of disposal, they
Yes.
said. Now in the facts and circumstances, if it is,
I have my two prayer to this prayer. First prayer is just.
no, the grounds which you have taken here,
Lordship.
you have also taken in the subsequent writ petition.
Subsequent writ petition is a result that our tea garden has been given up to some other person.
So you have not taken any ground here.
That is only we have challenged that Lordship, order whereby they have given that other person. That has been challenged in that situation. And here, Lordship, we have challenged that Lordship, you can.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Is prayed for list this matter along with
WPC.
WPC
552255 of 2026.
2255 2026.
Six.
Mr.
N Patiri, madam.
N.
Patiri.
Padiri.
Patiri. Nothing remains in this case, my lord, so kindly
Learned counsel for the learned counsel for
my lord, respondents, my lord, all the respondents.
respondent
Respondent 2 to 4, madam.
2 to 4 is present. List after 3 weeks. Have you paid something?
We
No,
have paid Lordship in between.
Yeah.
Now our guardian has been given to some other person. So
We have
that-
appointed
that
a
order is
receiver, my
pending.
lord.
Receiver.
Because the interim order was
Very
lifted by the
mechanically.
division.
Same
Huh?
day.
The interim order was lifted by the division bench.
You have received some amount from them.
I have not received, we have not received any amount, pursuant to the order of the division bench. Which amount was never admitted, my lord, may kindly come to the prayer phase.
1 month.
My lord, in this petition, they are paying for some time to pay. They are asking for some time, my lord. How does the,
Everything.
everything was decided by the division bench. my lord.
Yes, yes, read that prayer.
My lord,
We'll close it. We'll
my lord,
close
the
it.
clause 3, my lord.
Yes.
Read whole prayer,
Issue
not one.
notice to the respondent as to why a writ in the nature of certiorari mandamus shall not be issued, directing the respondent authorities to grant some more time to the petitioner to clear their outstanding dues towards PF of the employees as claiming by the respondent. That was decided by the honorable division bench. They asked them to pay them to the balance amount of this demand
And what
notice,
they
which
have-
was under challenge in this petition matter.
Uh,
So where is the challenge to the incorrectness of the notice of demand matter?
yes.
Nothing remains, my lord. They are challenging the sale proclamation that goes because now we were directed to take action regarding the recovery of the subsequent demands, my lord, subsequent areas of the PF. So we have issued notice, they didn't pay. So we have appointed our receiver in terms of the statutory parent act.
Now,
The receiver is running the garden, my lord. There was a lockout, they had a lockout, illegal lockout in the garden, my lord. They are not paying, they have received some amount from, by selling some land, which was observed by the division bench also, my lord.
Air Force.
Air Force on and
Not
national
Air Force,
highway.
not Air Force. Our claim was only to if we
Still
receive
they
the
did not
amount
pay.
Lordship from Air
See,
Force.
your prayer is what? You want sometime toward payment.
Yes.
That's
If-
all.
If we receive the amount.
And the
from Air
revision
Force,
bench said you have you
That
you
order has not
pay
been
this
complied.
much, huh?
That order has not been complied by the authority Lordship.
Who?
Division bench has given us 1 month time. They have Lordship handed over the garden within 1 week from passing the order of the.
That is another issue.
that
There
is
is
what I'm
another
saying.
issue.
That
So
is
what
I'm
remains
saying.
here? What remains in this
Here,
writ
Lordship,
petition?
here, Lordship, our representation has to be considered because we raised the objection that since.
You are not raised there. What you are saying? You want sometime?
No, Lordship,
Read your prayer.
No, Lordship, can we see our entire petition? Our
What interpretation? What is your prayer?
prayer is to Lordship to accommodate some time.
Yes, then
And
matter ends
also-
there.
And also to,
Matter ends there.
no, Lordship, also in our pleadings,
You are not disputing anything.
we have disputed Lordship. In our pleadings, we have disputed it.
So issue notice is clear to grant some more time to clear the outstanding due towards PF.
Yes.
Impute notice so and so this goes. Wherever notice for settling a sale program property which is scheduled to be held on 31. This also goes.
Also goes.
After hearing parties so and so, notice so and so and so and so. 14.7. What is 14.7?
14 the impugn orders.
This is the sale proclamation.
Sale
notice.
proclamation.
So it goes now. Then nothing remains now.
No.
Huh?
The division bench has only decided the issue of 5 crores, which was directly to be paid by the legal single charge.
What you have there? What you have claimed here?
Lordship, here.
In this writ petition, what you
Yes.
have claimed?
Lordship, our 2 claims are there. First is to accommodate some time. Second is to reassess the amount that they have.
Where it is?
Lordship,
Where it is?
in pursuance of Lordship, the notification ordered by Lordship of central government. Yes. Yes, I'm coming, Lordship. In para 12, Lordship, at page number 14, I have mentioned also.
I am asking in prayer.
Prayer, Lordship, in prayer, Lordship, only to issue for some time. And
See, sometime.
yes,
Number one. Number two, you have challenged the self-proclamation. That
Yes.
goes now. It's no
Self-proclamation-
longer there.
self-proclamation, that notice has not been, Lordship, considered by the division bench.
Hmm?
Division bench has only considered the issue of 5 crores,
Ah.
not the self-proclamation. That is my humble submission, Lordship. Division bench has only considered, since that order of directing to pay 5 crores is illegal, that was set aside. Not the entire proceeding was set aside, Lordship.
No, my lord, there is a
What order was?
there is a
Yes,
second direction also.
Mr. Kolita,
Lordship. Sometime, yes, Lordship.
we'll see.
My lord, there is a second direction also in terms
Some
of
other day.
compliance of the order. My lord,
Let
if there
the
is
matter
no
be-
fair
what the-
See,
action,
look at him. He's so adamant.
I'll leave that to your
Sometime, I'm
lordship.
just praying for some time, Lordship, so that what the matter can be disposed of together.
No, it doesn't survive, in fact.
That is survived, Lordship, because the division may have not interfered with the.
Why, sure, I mean, happy to have the 2, 3 petitions to be keep
That is
it
not-
pending unnecessary.
Division will not interfere with the notification, Lordship. Only division will has interfere only.
What you have prayed for in this writ petition?
Two lists, Lordship.
Thank you.
Lordship, I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.
Very unfortunate.
Deeply organized.
Item number 5 and 6.
Matter pertains to cancellation of tender,
Hmm.
work order.
Ah,
In work pertains to 2016. They are seeking for some time, my lord, there is a stay operating. I pray for a fixed date, my lord. Senior counsel has got some problem.
what remains now here?
Yeah, after more than a decade, my lord.
What do you want now?
Lordship, matters that come back from mediation, Lordship,
You should have settled there.
so there to Ken Chaudhary is leading Lordship. he
No,
is
what
now
is,
proceeding.
what is the
There is
status
some
now?
order.
Because, my lord, because of the stay, my lord, we could not, my lord, continue with the fresh tender. And it's regarding construction of hostel of a college, my lord. ITI college.
Lordship, there is an order for joint measurement, Lordship. So matter may be fixed after vacation, Lordship. In the
Before
meantime,
vacation, I will pray.
they
my
may
lord.
direct
Okay.
the joint measurement, Lord.
On the prayer of Mr.
P. Sharma, Lord.
P. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, list these matters.
Also will give a date.
And the
So that it can be sorted out.
prayer not being objected to by
I
Mr.
have,
P.
objection, Lordship will express my urgency at least to the extent.
And list this matter after 3 weeks.
No, no, let it be on 15th, man. Lordship will give it.
15 of what?
7.
15 of 7.
Immediately under the open.
3 weeks. Today is what?
Date is not given, my lord.
3 weeks, huh? Next para, Mr. on the Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel or additional advocate, additional advocate general expresses urgency of the matter as the matter pertains to construction of what?
Hostel, man.
Hostel of a college, which is pending for for since 2000,
15, man, 1-5.
2015. Mr. Considering above, and as agreed to by land council for the parties, let this matter be listed on 15 July,
15 July, man.
15/7/2024, 6.
Item number 8.
Lordship, in the meantime, there is an observation for joint measurement. In the meantime, they may take.
One line, my lord, there is already a direction that during this period, my lord, they will be at liberty to have a joint measure.
Joint measurement, Lord.
Uh,
Order for already
so then in
There
what
is
is
already a order.
the in the meantime, the parties may carry out the joint measurement
Yes.
as directed by this court. Itu ni. Order dated 25, 25/2/2026. Is it?
No, no, 38/23. Lord.
Huh?
38/23. 38/23. Initial order.
Okay.
Initial order.
38,
23. 308.
308/2020, huh?
Item number 8.
Obliged.
May I please, sir?
petitioner, Your Honor, before for granting ex gratia, the petitioner's husband and son, father was a health officer and was on duty. Before my learned friend starts, I'm appearing for respondent number 14 and 15. Your Lordship, so far as the 50 lakhs ex gratia is concerned, that has been sanctioned. And the dispute now remains is that Lordship, the share between us, that is the petitioner and we. I'm representing the son and daughter, and my friend is Bobby, wife, and the another son. So Lordship, may I?
You are not the son of.
Oh, she is my stepmother.
Okay.
Yes. So Lordship, my prayer is that Lordship, yes, subject to what my learned friend says, this is now regarding Lordship settlement of the share only. Matter may be referred to mediation so that we can make an attempt to settle there if he doesn't have any.
Or will direct you to share whatever
Yes,
share.
yes, Lordship.
Can you work
The
it out?
notification says that Lordship, all are entitled equally.
Equally.
Yes, no objection. We have no objection, but sir, my lord, the petitioner is the widow and the second petitioner is
Equally.
But they are.
Where is that notification?
The daughter is.
Where is that
married
notification?
daughter. Notification annexure A.
What does it say?
The Governor of Assam is pleased to notify the following guidelines for payment of ex gratia grant of rupees 50 lakhs to the next of kin, legal heir of government employees, societies, authorities, PSUs, etc., who died in harness due to COVID-19 disease, contractual wife, performing official duties in combating COVID-19 pandemic.
Then
Background: COVID-19 has been declared as a pandemic by WHO on March 11, 2020. Subsequently,
now whether they said the equally it should be shared to legal heirs.
that notification itself, Lordship, to the legal heirs. First line: the Governor of Assam is pleased to sanction ex gratia grant of 50 lakhs to the next of kin / legal heir of doctors. Our father was doctor. So Lordship, we are the next of kin, legal heir. So they are also next of in the next of kin certificate name
You and
of minor son.
minor son. Then you and
My sister.
sister.
They are my sister.
4 of you equally share.
Yes, Lord. My lord, it may, but my lord, the daughter is married and the son is
It's okay. Have you seen the latest judgment of the Supreme Court?
Also. Yes.
You cannot disclose just because she is married. All right.
And Lordship, my submission is that Lordship, I'm for respondent number 14 also. Respondent number 14 is not married, Lordship. I don't know from where. No, my lord, he is married.
No, we'll not go into that. Since all of you are legal heirs,
Yes, Lordship.
you share the amount equally.
He is not. Yes, she.
Share the amount equally.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, what do you say?
The incumbent has to submit an NOC. Next of kin. There already an NOC has been issued, but considering the fact that there are other sets of payments, the earlier NOCs was cancelled by the deputy commissioner. Now a new set of new NOC has to be issued and it has to be submitted before the competent authority for processing it to the revenue department for releasing the amount. That technical issue is there.
No, Lordship. Initially, Lordship, they had obtained one NOK, challenging that we had approached this honorable court by filing a writ petition. Writ petition interfered into that, and NOK was cancelled. Subsequently, now Lordship, fresh NOK has been issued by the deputy commissioner, where name of the all 4 persons are there.
Where it is? Then in that case, we'll direct you to submit the NOK.
Yes, Lordship. We will submit the fresh NOK, Lordship. It is
Yes.
their knowledge also.
Okay.
Yes.
Heard, Mr. Equally. 4 of 4.
Yes. Yes.
4 NOK or legal heirs. Heard, Mr.
SU.
SU
Ahmed.
Learned counsel for the petitioner or petitioners.
Petitioners.
And also heard Mr. A. Bhattacharya. Who else are there? Which one? Which one? P. Bora, P. Bora, D. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department for respondent number. Got it. Then,
I'm for 8, 9 and 10.
no, after that, A. Bhattacharya, Learned Standing for Revenue and Register for respondent number 3 and 4. Then,
My lord, I am for respondent number 14 and 15.
you are last.
Oh,
For
I'm
8,
sorry.
9 and 10.
Huh?
8, 9 and 10.
And Goswami, Learned Standing for respondent number 9 and 10. State Council, huh? As well as Mr.
M. Ahmed,
M. Ahmed for respondent number
14 and 15.
14 and 15. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to release ex gratia amount of rupees 50 lakhs to the petitioners. There are two petitioners.
Yes.
Then why you said one petitioner?
No, two petitioner, mothers and minor son.
Okay. Petitioners. In terms of the notification number so and so, huh? Page 16. Page 16. There is 0209-2020. Christoph.
Minor sons, my lord.
The petitioner number 1 is the wife of Dr. Hikmat Ali Ahmed, and and the petition number 2 is the minor son. List of the husband of the petitioner, Dr. Hikmat Ali Ahmed, was serving as Chief Medical and Health Officer within bracket CD bracket in the Office of the Joint Director of Health Services, Barkata, who had expired on 10/05/2025, who has died in harness on 10/05/2025 due to COVID-19. Well, please stop. Next para. The state of Assam has issued a notification. By notification dated, issued a notification by dated 0209-2024, notifying the for payment of ex gratia grant at the rate of rupees 5 lakhs to the next of kin of legal heir of government employees, societies, authorities, PSUs, etc., etc., who died in harness due to COVID-19 while performing official duties in combating COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. The notifications, please, when it notifies the guidelines for such payment. Mr. Next para. The petitioner contains that she has applied for payment of rupees 5 lakh in terms of the notification dated 02/09/2020.
My lord, it is rupees 50 lakhs.
50 lakh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 50 lakh. After the expiry of her husband, late Dr. Hikmat Ali Ahmad, who had died due to COVID-19 while performing his duty in combating the COVID-19 pandemic at Barpeta.
Yes.
You have died while working at Barpeta.
Yes, my lord.
Listen. The late husband of the petitioner, while supervising the COVID hospital and COVID-related activities by virtue of his post as the Chief Medical and Health Officer, was tested Corona-19 positive on 10/05/2021 and expired on the same day at Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical College and Hospital, Barpeta. Please suffer. It is submitted by it is the submission of the council petition next period that the husband of there is no dispute as regards the death of the husband while performing his duty during COVID-19 pandemic. And the petitioners, being the legal heirs, are entitled to the payment of rupees 50 lakhs in terms of the notification dated 02/09/2020. Therefore, the respondent authorities may be directed to release the amount of rupees so and so 50 lakhs to the ex gratia amount of rupees 50 lakhs to the petitioners. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the respondents submits that the ex gratia amount of rupees 50 lakhs has already been sanctioned.
Yes, lordship.
Has already been sanctioned.
Yes, lordship. Court order stated
Of
2020.
Due to non-submission of next submission of next of Enochia, next of Dean's oblique legal aid certificates, comma, the payment could not be released. Next para. Mr. Ahmed,
Yes, madam.
learned counsel for the respondent number 14 and 15. submits that the petitioner, number one, is the stepmother of the respondent number 14 and 15. And petitioner number 2 is the stepbrother. List of, what is this? Concurrence has been given by the finance. Then you just add this also. Whether the concurrence has been given, sanction covered. On instruction also. Then, stepbrother. The respondent number 5 and 14 and 15 are the son and daughter of the late so and so, Dr. Hakim so and so, Ali, who are also next of the kings of the legal heirs. List of. It submits that initially next of kin certificate, next of kin of legal heir certificate issued to the petitioner. However, on the objection of the respondent number 14 and 15, a fresh certificate was issued wherein the petition number 1, 2, and respondent number 14 and 15 are shown to be the next of kin of legal heirs. Therefore, the ex gratia amount of 50 lakhs may be a portion with all the legal heirs. Next paragraph. Mr. Your name, please. S.U. Ahmed clearly submits that the petitioners are willing and accept, the petitioners are ready and are acceptable to the submissions of land council for the respondent number 14 and 15 as the petitioners and respondent number 14 and 15 are the next of kin of the legal heirs to late husband of the petition number 1. They are acceptable to the proposal, the submission. Next paragraph. The next paragraph. State of Assam by the notification dated 02/09/2020 as framed policy for payment of ex gratia grant at the rate of rupees 50 lakhs to the next of kin of the legal heir of government employees, public societies, public authorities, public PSUs, etc., who died in harness due to COVID-19. Disease contracted while performing official duties in combating COVID-19 pandemic. list of next paragraph, the petitioners as well as respond, before that, the late husband of the petitioner, number one, has admittedly and unfortunately expired on 10/5/2021 while serving as the chief medical and health officer and under the joint director of health service at Borpeta. While performing the duties of performing and supervising the COVID care centers and other COVID related activities. List of the petitioners and the respondent 14 and 15 also are the next of the kins oblique legal heirs of the late so and so, Dr. San, huh? Next paragraph. Thus, the petitioners and the respondent number 14 and 15 are entitled to receive the ex gratia amount of rupees 15 lakhs. Next paragraph. The state, the respondents have already, the respondent authorities have already sanctioned the amount of rupees 50 lakhs in respect of the late so and so to be paid to the next of the kin of the legal heirs. Mr. Hauber, as submitted by Mr. A. Bhattacharya and Standing Council, that the authorities would release the ex gratia amount of rupees 50 lakhs, which has already been sanctioned. But due to certain technical issues as regards the next of kin's oblique legal heir certificates, for which the petitioner and the respondent number 14 and 15 may submit the same before the concerned authorities for further steps for release of the said ex gratia amount. Next paragraph. They will say, having considered that having considered the undisputed fact that the late husband of the petitioner, number one, and the father of respondent number 2 and petitioner number 2 and respondent number 14 and 15 had died while performing the COVID related activities as Chief Medical and Health Officers as Barpeta on 10/5/2021. And considering the fact that the state has a policy to grant ex gratia payment of rupees 50 lakhs to the next of the kin of legal heir of the government employee, etc. Come on. I'm of the considered view that there's no reason why the responsible authorities should not release the payment of the ex gratia amount to the next kin of the legal heirs of late so and so, Dr. Hakim says. Does no, the two, when the sanction has already been granted by the competent authority, does it would be appropriate to direct the respondent authorities to release the ex gratia amount to the petitioners and respondent 14 and 15 within a period of how many days? Within a period of 3 weeks, not 3 months. It's 2021 matter. Within a period of
Money has already been sanctioned.
4 weeks, 4 weeks from the date of receipt of certificate copy of this order. List of the respondent, the petitioners, as well as the respondent number 14 and 5 are directed to submit the next of the kin of legal heir certificate before the which authority? District Commissioner. District Commissioner Barpeta for onward transmission to the competent authority for completion, onward transmission to the competent status for necessary steps to release the payment. List of. It is made clear that the amount of the ex gratia amount of rupees 50 lakhs shall be equally shared by the petition number 1, petition number 2, as well as respondent number 14 and 15. Writ petition stands disposed of in terms of both.
Lordship,
We
kindly make it 8 weeks.
8 weeks.
Let it be 8 weeks.
8 weeks.
Otherwise, Lordship, there was an
instruction maybe give part of it.
Okay, you just will have to, then rephrase that. That is their submission, rephrase that. It's okay, instruction is already there. We'll record in this thing, order.
Can we keep the record?
Okay, then. The copy of the instruction dated. Where it is? Oh, yeah. Well, by 2024. 2024. Not the instruction, the copy of the communication dated 12/8/2024 from the Joint Secretary to the Government of Assam Revenue and Disaster Management to the Standing Council is kept on record as marked as documents. So and so.
Kindly apply.
Number 9.
Yes.
Last time they should have filed a order for affidavit.
But I have the instructions now, so we'll file affidavit now.
Huh?
I have received the.
What is the instruction?
Initially, his application was rejected that he was not in the indigenous person.
Ah.
Secondly, that order was reviewed by the deputy commissioner, found that he was not continuous occupation for that plot of land from 2001. He's furthermore, he's not the landless person, Lordship. He's not the landless person.
So he's not entitled.
Yes, Lordship.
Then in that case, you have to bring on record.
Lordship.
And Mr. P.K. Roy Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
Yes, sir.
S. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Next para, Mr. N. Goswami, Learned State Counsel, submits that he has received the instruction which he would like to bring on record by an affidavit. Therefore, phrase for listing of them, phrase for 3 weeks. 3 weeks or 2 weeks? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list the matter after 3 weeks. In the meantime, Mr. Goswami, Learned State Counsel to file the affidavit.
Number 11.
I pray on behalf of M. Bhattacharjee, Lordship, request some time to file reply.
Item 12, 11.
11, Lordship, on behalf of
Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of M.S.
M. Bhattacharjee.
M. Bhattacharjee, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Phrase for it is granted 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit in reply. Mr. A.K.J. Learned State Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the Learned Standing Council for GST is present.
Much of it.
14.
Okay.
Yes.
My lord, the application may pay for solitarium 30% and additional interest to 12%. My lord, kindly see page 24, my lord.
You have not been paid. This is issued under acquisition under
Highway Act, man.
huh?
Highway Act.
Huh?
Honorable High Court, my lord, kindly see page 24, my lord.
Huh?
There is a direction, my lord, from this Honorable Court, my lord,
Huh?
to pay the debt, my lord.
Earlier.
30%, yes.
Earlier.
Yes.
In the same matter.
Same matter. Same matter.
The instruction is same, but in other case, because we are going to pay, there's a matter of spending before the Honorable Appeals Court, it finally got decided. Now we are going to pay, but central government is preparing one SOP for payment issue because it is to be paid to entire country. That is sometime may be required. They are also requesting as soon as SOP comes, but there they will get it. But only we waiting for SOP. See, other case, any instruction has come to similar case. I'm placing.
Tarsim Singh.
Let him, Tarsim Singh, it is got finally review was there. Review also gone against us. Finally decided directed to pay 30% solicitor and 12% interest.
You have incorporated the provision of right to fair compensation after Tarsim Singh.
That was NH Act. That was NH Act. It was there because National Highway Act 1956. Their provision was earlier that solicitor and interest was not required to be paid. That was been
No, that's why after the judgment of Tarsim Singh, you have incorporated in National Highway Act. I have come across. Huh?
Because Tarsim Singh case once we the Honorable Appeals Court passed an order giving direction. Now question was again raised before you know, by fighting everywhere by an SI authority that whether it will be retrospective or prospective, that is also decided. That is finally decided. They will get it, everything. But we are waiting for SOP, Milord. Government. That is later for other case, similar.
Other than the solution and the interest you have received,
Yes, compensation.
you have received.
Everybody receives. Only this is 30% solution earlier it was not there.
So how many days?
The data so let the SOP comes because
We cannot say
No.
this.
sometimes we give because
That's why I'm asking what time, how many days you want?
my lord, it is difficult for me to also say this.
Then how
Sanction is taken by decision by central government.
So-
That is why that at least after 2 8 weeks,
which one?
after it may be listed.
No, we'll dispose it off. When you are not disputing that you will be, he's
That can be also
entitled.
disposed of in terms of that my submission, that is maybe recorded. In terms I'm
But we
submitting-
cannot keep it, give you
Yes,
a
that will be disposed of.
indefinite period.
Disposed of as soon as SOP complaint, I'll pay.
Hmm?
This direction may be given.
Huh?
As soon as SOP.
We don't know. SOP may not come also.
Without SOP again.
Where's the question of SOP?
My lord, SOP.
That is that is the central government, your business.
We are preparing, but central government means Ministry of Highway and Road Transport is preparing.
That's your business.
That is right.
What's the look? It's not
Again,
a,
suppose
it's
your
not a,
lordship- Yes, lordship can.
for
pass.
that why the landowner should suffer.
But we are going to pay until.
You pay it, whatever you want to do it. That's why I'm asking how many days?
That's why I'm paying for 8 weeks.
No, you cannot.
6 weeks.
Huh?
Give
You
us
pay
6 weeks.
within 6 weeks. See, preparation of SOP and all these are you're all purely your business, nothing to do with the landowners.
Then don't.
That too, when you have already
Ultimately-
incorporated, that is your own convenience. SOP is not a law.
It is not a law.
Yes.
But we have to make provision for this to pay also.
You do it, I'm saying,
That is
do
why
it.
We are paying time, my lord.
Huh.
I'm paying time.
So I am saying we'll direct you to pay within 6 weeks.
Lordship, first lord.
Is not it?
That's a lordship discussion.
Not see,
Pleasure is not discussion.
no, it's not a pleasure.
It's a lordship because I'm praying that SOP is pending. That much only I can submit before your lordship.
No, you may submit that, but then I'm asking.
That's why I'm paying me.
When they are entitled, how can you, just because you are
If-
delaying the
if-
preparation of
My lord,
SOP?
If my submission is this way,
Hmm.
the SOP comes tomorrow itself will pay. Suppose after 1 week it has come, will come. As soon as SOP completes, we will complete. My duty to whatever information and instruction I'm receiving from the authority.
At the same time, it's,
lordship.
you are not,
No, lordship pleasure to pass an order. I forward again to.
sir, I don't have to tell you, you are not only the mouthpiece of your, the national highway or your client.
No,
You are equally, you are the officer of the court.
No.
I don't have to remind you.
That is, I am the officer of the court by.
See, once law is settled, when the landowners are entitled for all this solution and interest, preparation, not preparation, SOP is not a law. You are not making any.
I am leaving to your lordship.
Huh.
What lordship pass an order, I will communicate to my authority concern.
That cannot be also. That is, I am saying, you cannot
That's then my,
absolve your
what I can pray.
responsibility as a officer of the court. You cannot.
That's your lordship is not a decision taking into consideration. My prayer may be or submission may be dismissed.
That is exactly why precisely what I'm trying to tell you. You are a seasoned lawyer. I'm not supposed to tell you whether you are, how is your role and duties and responsibility as an officer of the court. That's why I'm asking. I have accepted your submission, but then I have asked you that how many days you would require. It cannot be indefinite because you are not enacting a law.
That is why.
Law is already settled, provision has been enacted, is not it?
I am leaving to your lordship pass decision order because my duty to pray for death sometimes, some days. Then your lordship pleasure to give that.
It's not a pleasure, sir. That is wrong. Total misconception.
That's why we are telling.
We don't have the pleasure.
That is why I am praying before.
We decide on the basis of the law.
That is why always we pray.
Heard, Mr.
Chauhan.
Aris Chauhan, then counsel for the petitioner. And also, who else are there?
For 6 and 8.
6 and 8.
Um,
You are for?
4 and 7.
4 and 7. You right, huh? Huh? Today. Who is one? Who is one? Who is two? Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned State Council, Standing Council, Revenue and so Department for respond number 2. Then 3. 3 and 8. Then you are
6 and 8.
who is 3? Huh?
UPC.
BTC and 6 and 8. Mr. C. Borwa, learned
Seven.
Standing Council,
NSA,
NS
AI,
AI
4 and 7.
4 and 7 and SS Roy
6 and 8.
6 and 8. Huh? Dispose of. Will apply. I will apply my mind.
Yes.
How to, use word on your submission.
Let it be flow.
Let me have some research and find out the appropriate word.
We'll also.
Dispose of 6 weeks. 6 weeks. You pay 6 weeks within 6 weeks because there is no dispute.
No dispute there.
Therefore,
There's no
only
dispute.
problem is
Only
you are
there,
the
standard operation.
the SOP is under process.
That is my
So
subject.
therefore, whether you prepare it within 6 months or not we are not concerned. You have to pay within 6 months, not later than 6 weeks. Sorry, not 6 months.
Doctor will please to give me support.
Representation allowed.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. For referring the Silchar PS case to the CBI Lordship.
Very dangerous. Why?
See, the petitioner daughter is missing since 25/10/2022, Lordship. The FIR is registered, SIT was formed, thereafter the case was handed over to the CID, but till that the missing daughter is not traceable, Lordship. So I am praying for referring the matter to CBI, Lordship.
CBI.
Yes.
We have filed the last status report, Lordship. The investigation is on, Lordship. And we have
When?
filed, Lordship.
When a daughter was missing?
Daughter was missing
Since
25/10/2022.
22.
Yes, Lordship.
Still investigation.
Lordship, because there, kindly see the status report, Lordship.
Where it is?
Page number 71.
71. Yes.
This is
Megali Berman.
Lordship.
Oh, sorry.
This is the status report, Lordship. As on 28/2024, Lordship.
2024.
24, Lordship.
Is it a status report?
Lordship, it was filed, Lordship, Honorable Court asked to file this on September 2025, we have filed this, Lordship.
September 2025. But this your report is of 2024.
Four, Lordship.
1 year before.
Before, Lordship.
1 year before the order.
This is the steps we are taking, Lordship. Some forensic report is also called for, Lordship. Page 72. Present status I have to taken, so.
Huh?
Present status I have taken.
This
the charge.
affidavit status, when did you file this?
This was filed on 25,
October 25.
25, Lordship.
Well, list after 2 weeks,
Lordship.
you obtained a
Present status.
present status,
Lordship, they have filed two affidavit, Lordship, till that, Lordship.
saying that they are unable
They
to
are
trace.
doing their job, Lordship, but till that they are, the missing girl is not
This is important, Lordship. So
This time we'll decide. Next time we'll decide.
only
Let us see what's
only
the,
fix that, Lordship.
because the status is of 2024.
Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, let it be immediately after the vacations, Lordship. I will get the up-to-date status one.
police CID are
PID is doing.
incompetent or what?
Lordship, they are doing their job, Lordship, as per investigation, Lordship. There's some forensic reports were called for which was not received. That's why the last. Let me have the up-to-date instructions.
Since 2022,
Lordship.
heard Mr.
It is already.
Chedi Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. As read for by Mr. SSO Line Assistant Counsel. 2 weeks time is granted to obtain present status of the investigation. List after 2 weeks. Next para. Considering that the investigation appears to be pending since 2022, without there being any clue as indicated in the last status report in the year 2024. This court, the endeavor shall be made to dispose of the matter on next date, on the next date.
On 15th of July, Lordship.
16.
15th.
16 is what?
16th.
16th of July.
Lordship.
Item number 16.
My lord, this is a bit peculiar case. My lord, at Annexer 1 on 12/12/1996, one patha 10 lesa of selling surplus land was settled to these petitioners. These petitioners are both almost 80 years old now. Thereafter, my lord, their names accordingly, they paid the conversion premium of 60,000 at that point of time. Their names were recorded in the Zamabandi also. They continue paying revenue. Then in the year 2010-11, my lord, suddenly there when names were struck off from the revenue records. Then we made several applications. There was nothing done, my lord, and ultimately this writ petition was filed. The writ petition now, my lord, gives a report from the circle officer, my lord. Circle officer does not directly deal with my contention as such, as far as to what happened as to the settlement given to me and the Zamabandi that has been issued earlier in my name. But then he gives a report at page 33, my lord, in an additional affidavit filed.
Affidavit?
There's an additional affidavit filed, my lord, on the date is not mentioned, my lord, sometime in November 2025. It was
28/11.
Page 25.
Page 25 onwards, my lord. Sorry,
By
not 25.
District Commissioner.
The running page, my lord, I'm referring to is page 33, my lord. Probably as numbered in my copy, my lord. Additional affidavit filed by respondent number 4 to bring in status report dated 25/11/2025.
No, this is by. Huh?
Babul Bosho.
Additional affidavit.
My lord, the DC initially says that we have referred the matter to the circle officer to the report. Then there is another affidavit by the circle.
Yes,
officer.
page 30.
My lord,
Or
page
sorry,
30.
page not page 30, page
29 onwards, probably.
29, yes.
Babul Bosho. The report, my lord, is at page 33.
Page 33.
Page 33, my lord, he has mentioned that the revenue records are showing, my lord, name of Kunja Vihari and
As per the records, names of Sri Biresh, what is this?
Bireshwar Bandopathay.
Biresh Bandopathy, son of
Kunja
Kunja Vihari,
Vihari.
have been mutilated against Dag number 644, the son of plot of land 2.9. 9 what?
and Jyotindra Narayan Dev.
What is this 2.90?
2.90 R is the area, man.
RA.
RR, ER, R.
Ah. For revenue village number.
In fact, this Kunja Vihari and Jyotindra Narayan Dev Sodhari were the original owners, my lord, from whom the land had gone to ceiling, my lord. Thereafter, settlements took place and we were issued Jama Mandis, my lord, on that particular land. Now, how this original owners, my lord, their names have come back, my lord, there is no explanation. But then the circle officer says in the report, page 34, Lord, you would see, he shows my building, that this is the building standing there. It's in my possession, everything is in my name, but then somehow the name is missing, my lord, from the revenue record. There is no contest also as to that this is not my land, anybody. There is no ownership claim also, my lord, on this particular property from somebody else. But then simply, my lord, it has gone missing from the revenue record. The revenue record, my lord, why it was required to be so corrected.
Bireshwar Bandapadhyay is who?
Bireshwar Bandapadhyay, my lord, these were
You are Nagendra? You are?
We are Nagendranath Chakraborty and his wife.
Okay. You have how your name has been mutated?
My lord, I have to come back to the repetition that. Page 11.
From this Bireshwar Bandapadhyay or Kunja Bihari?
My lord, as far as we know, both Kunja Vihari and Bireshwar Bandapadhyay is, my lord, son of Kunja Vihari. And Jyotindra Narayan Chaudhary is son of Gajendra Narayan Dev. My lord, they were the original owners, my lord, of that particular area in the Zoo Road area, my lord, in Gauhati.
Is the description, the patta number and dag numbers are same?
My lord, my land should be now in 1179 and 1180, dag number. My land should be now in 1190 and 1170, my lord. Sorry, 1180. And in fact, there is a map also, my lord, at page 36 showing the land in my possession. It is, my lord, 1179 and 1180. At page 36, there is a map also indicating that this is the area over which this particular building at page 34 is standing. No, we are not a party to that.
What is this WPC 4975?
That is totally unconnected, my lord. I have dug into that particular record also. We are not a party in that particular case. We are not a party to that particular case.
Our affidavit, this was connected, that's why Lordship, we have.
No head and tail.
Both the matters stacked together, Lordship.
No head and tail, nothing. What do you want to say?
That petition is between some Vishwaranjan Bandapadhyay and
yes, Lordship.
Some Rita Gangu. Because that is otherwise a bigger patta number, my lord. So there may be so many other owners, my lord.
What is your stand?
Lordship, our stand is that, Lordship, on field verification, these lands were, Lordship, given, Lordship. Para 3, Lordship. As per para 3, Lordship. Names of Bireshwar Bandapadhyay, son of so-and-so, being mutated against dag number so-and-so and so-and-so for a plot of land measuring 2.9 acre for the revenue village number 1 under Belkola Moja, and the name of Jyotindra Narayan Dev, and 19 others have been mutated against dag number so that it was not been partitioned, Lordship. 1.52 acres for revenue village number so and so.
Yours is dag number 641.
No, 642. 642, and in 641 there are 19 others, co-pattadas are there.
This was no, the dag original allotted to me, the old dag was 643. 643 in the new settlement, my lord, has become 1179 and also 1180.
New one is?
The new.
Old one was 642.
643.
It shows dag number 642 and 641 only.
My lord.
All it is shown 641 and 642.
642.
In respect to 1179 and 1180.
Yes, my lord, that is why this report is, my lord, neither complete, neither it basically explains what is the contention of my petition. I
No,
think that
this
in this
report,
particular
report
that
is
was.
based on the actual factual thing, no? On ground it has been given.
Yeah.
So from where you are saying that this is yours is 642, please 643,
My lord,
all dark number.
My lord, the settlement paper given in my favor, page 11.
Page 11.
Page 11. Government of Assam Revenue Settlement Department. With reference to your letter to subject to the above, I am directed that the Governor of Assam is pleased to order for settlement of 0 Bika 1 Katha 10 Lesa ceiling Sarkari land covered under Dock number 643 of village Zaporigog under Beltola Moza with Nogendra Nath Chaudhary, son of so and in the name of his wife Dipali Chakraborty in the joint title of spouse for residential purpose, subject to payment of 100% of land value as premium. So this is the settlement order. And then Annexure 2, I paid a 60,000 premium. Annexure 3, my lord, possession is granted over to me, my lord, with a grace and Sikha. Then Annexure 4 and 5, my lord. Annexure 4, my lord, is the Jamabandi then issued to me by correcting the revenue record. So I have to be in 643, my lord. My original settlement order says so. This 643. Now they have given a report of 642 and 641. But then actually in physical, my lord, they have found that this 1179 and 1180, which they
What is
say
the
are
area? What is your total area?
1 Katha 10 less.
Covered by Dagnar 1183. Mahadi Patti number 4568. This is something different again, page 14. Dag number is different.
My lord. The new Dock number 1183, my lord. That was also, my lord, changed in, this was in 90s only, my lord. Then subsequently we came to know it has become 1179 and 1180. But then exactly that is the reason why the circle officer was required to, my lord, submit the report and verify. Because at para 7 I have stated so, my lord, in base 6 that old Dock number 643.
What to do?
643 of Patta number so and so was converted again to 1179 of Patta number 1309 and Dock number 1180, Patta number 1700. Then we were also continuing to pay revenue till 2009. Thereafter, after the settlement settlement operation, my lord, our names had gone out. But then physically, the circle officer's report is contrary to what he is saying as per the revenue record, because physical occupation is mine. My building is standing there for 30 years. The trace map he has drawn out is also indicating my area only. This is the area I am occupying, my lord.
How can you have that kind of report?
Lordship, let it be take.
Let a fresh report be called, my lord.
Lordship, let it be tag with 4975.
No, 4975 is totally unconnected, my lord. I beg to differ, my lord. 4975 is somebody else's case, my lord. Why should I join in a land litigation with somebody else?
No, Lordship, there is, Lordship, kindly see page 31, Lordship. The deponent further states that as per LR field verification, it is found that the RCC building bounded by the 4-wall commercial purpose is standing over a plot of land measuring 4.42 R on the plot of land that is 2.9 R covered by Dock number 2421179. This was the field verification, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, let it be taken with 4975 in between.
No, to 4975, Lordship, these are between some other parties, please. These are between some other parties, my lord, some other litigation.
No, problem is as per field verification, these numbers are different.
Lordship. That's why,
Which is not telling with your number. How they happen?
Lordship, that Vishwaranjan Bandyopadhyay is mostly Lordship.
No, you obtain instruction.
Lordship.
My lord, in fact, a fresh report is required, my lord, because he has not dealt with as to what happened to DAG number 643 and how it has
Lordship.
evolved.
Lordship.
Third, Mr. B. Pathak, counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners.
Petitioners, my lord, husband and wife.
Petitioners. Next paragraph. Having considered that the circle officer by its report dated 25/11/2025 no, this is a communication.
Lordship.
By the communication dated 25/11/2025 to the London government advocate appears to have has given the field verification, the alleged field verification, which doesn't indicate, it doesn't answer to the claim of the petitioner, as the DAG number and the KP Pata numbers are not tally with the DAG numbers and Pata numbers claimed by the petitioner as regards the land, as regards the
Land settlement granted.
land
in this
settlement granted to the petitioners, comma, Mr. The circle officer, dispute revenue circle is directed to post press field verification and submit the same before the court, before this court, submit the same before this court. This stuff. Within 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
After the vacations, Lordship.
Then we'll make it 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Next paragraph, Mr. S.S. Royal and State Council to ensure that to advise and communicate this order to the district, to the circle officer, dispute revenue commissioner, to ensure field verification. To ensure that the field verification then is directed here in above.
Can we have a date? my lord?
Small, in
After 4
regard of
weeks.
item number 17. Lordship, my another matter is two input, number 16. So item number 17, Your Lordship. This is sub judice matter, Your Lordship. Kindly matter had along with the PC number 276.
As per my instruction, Lordship, the petitioner already received the SKCI amount. So matter may become in fluxus, Lordship.
Item number 17.
Yes.
Have you?
Yes, I have received.
You have that thing. Heard Mr.
Yes, I have.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes. You give that date after vacation. Item 16.
My lord, my lord.
Huh?
Because they are senior citizens, my lord.
When?
My lord, deeply obliged.
17 item.
Yes,
17.
You are Damodar Manjubala Das.
Yes, Your Lordship. His, her husband has.
Next of the kin,
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 lakhs.
The year of 2024.
Heard Mr.
Yes, I Akan.
S.I.
Akan.
Akan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. The petitioner here, this is Manjubala. It is the matter pertains to
Tax graduation.
claim for ex gratia
Yes, sir.
grant amount of rupees 2 lakhs to the next of kin of the deceased on account of the death of late Damodar Das, husband of the petitioner, in terms of the government notification dated 15/11/2024.
Yes.
Next para, Mr.
20.
S. Hazrika,
HK Hazari.
HK Hazrika, London State Council, by placing the order dated 18/06/2024, passed by the Deputy Commissioner and Chairman DDMA, Barpeta, submits that where is the receipt?
Already sanctioned lordship.
Lordship only
This is the
sanction has.
order passed by the deputy.
You have said you have already
Amount is
paid.
not disbursed as per my
As
instruction.
per my instruction also already. This
Received.
Received already.
They have received.
And
Petitioner has received.
already sanction already.
Sanction is something different, whether you have released it or not.
I don't know. Lordship.
Then
Amount is hit on the account of
Amount
the
is sanctioned
petitioner.
lordship.
sanction too, it's not a question of sanction, whether it has been released or not.
And it- Lordship, solely short recommendation may be.
Huh?
Short recommendation may be given whether
Submits that an amount of rupees 12 lakhs, 2 lakhs has already been sanctioned. Being the ex gratia in favor of the petitioner, namely Manju Bala Das, who is the next of kin of deceased person led Damodar Das, who had died on 21/09/2022 due to road accident under Barpeta Revenue Circle. List of. This is of 2024. You have no contact with your this thing,
yes, Lordship.
with your client.
Yes, we have communicated with client. They have said no amount has been
And
received.
you have not communicated, I suppose. You are bluffing.
No, Lordship.
Considering above, let this method be listed after 2 weeks.
No, Lordship.
Then after a week. Next week, we'll list it after next week.
Lordship, as per plan.
So as to enable the parties to obtain instruction as regards as to whether the petitioner has already received the amount of, received the ex gratia amount of 2 lakhs in terms of the order dated 18/06/2024. List on next week, just Wednesday, you give it on Wednesday. Or Friday.
24.
Lordship,
24.
I'm developed.
Copy of the order dated 18/06/2024. It's kept on record.
It is about 20.
But a Patta land, my lord, the lease was given to the tenant, my lord, subsequently took all permissions, either from the state government, pollution department, BPC, my lord, IOC, all everything, my lord, electricity, police, but subsequently, my lord, forest department, evicted the all establishment of the petrol shop, my lord, causing loss of, my lord, more than 80 lakhs, my lord. I have given one affidavit also saying these are the loss 76 lakhs plus 5 lakhs 17,000. Even the BPCs, my lord, all underground tanks, all there, my lord, of rupees 30 lakhs, that is also lost, my lord. Kindly peruse your lordship first, my lord. This is Patta of the land, my lord. That is, my lord, I have annexed here.
Yes, affidavit is ready.
Lordship, we filed a affidavit, Lord.
You are ready.
Lordship.
What is the prayer?
There is, my lord, at the relevant point of time, my lord, eviction was not done. But subsequently it was done and I filed one additional affidavit also. Whereas to admit the call for the record respondents to cause as to why it shall not be issued to set aside was the impugned notice 31A, Annexure 18. That is, my lord, Annexure 18, page 65. Illegally construction petrol pump. It was issued by the
Directed to be removed.
yes, my lord. Illegally construction.
Then 27 is?
At 27/8/24 issued by the DFO Gwalpara respectively. And Annexure 19, next page, my lord. Removal of enforcement, same issue, but it was issued by the DFO, my lord.
Provide a NOC from the said having been installed the retail outlet it is after land measuring too big a cover by diagonal, which is a non-promised and also land by paying for adequate compensation toward the.
Now, my lord, I want to place first from the first, my lord, annexure, my lord.
So how do we wrongly or rightly?
Yes, my lord. Page 41, my lord. Periodic pattale. Can you
It's okay. You file a compensation before the appropriate civil court.
Giving that liberty, then
We cannot.
because, my lord, at the relevant point of time, when issued the notice, we filed the writ
We
petition.
simply say that we'll allow you to withdraw
Yes, my lord.
to avail the to approach the to avail the appropriate remedy under the law.
As land is a patta land and deputy commissioner issued.
No,
three
we'll
times
not say anything.
Yes, my lord.
That will be a matter of the
And
matter to
honorable
be
division-
determined by the civil court.
But honorable division bench judgment is also there. Saying
okay.
that, my lord, first time both the department, forest and revenue department has to discuss, thereafter has to, my lord, the eviction has to be done. But here, my lord, when the time and again the revenue department given their NOC, electricity also, police department also, home department, everywhere, they have, but forest suddenly, my lord, evicted.
It's
For the
okay.
loss of amount.
No, no. Why should?
Lordship. How can they be?
I am suggesting
Lordship.
already evicted.
Evicted.
Now you are claiming compensation.
Compensation.
Go to the civil court.
Yes, my lord.
That's all. Withdraw.
Yes, my lord, giving liberty, my lord.
Heard Mr. H. Das. H. Das.
Please, yes, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner and also heard. No, we'll say Mr. H. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his lead petition with a liberty to approach the to avail the appropriate remedy under the law. List of next para, Mr. S.S.
A Goswami for forest purchase.
Respondent number?
4 and 5 purchase. 4 and 6, 4 and 6.
Who is one?
1 and 2 I am repairing for BP.
S.S. Learned the state council.
No, Lord, for the Bharat Petroleum Group.
Oh,
BPC.
and respondent number 1,
1 and 2.
1 and 2, 4. State learned council for respondent number 1, 2, 1 and 2. Then
And for respondent number 5.
3 and 5. Mr. S.K. H.K. na S.K. H.K. learned council, state council for respondent number 3, 3 and 5.
I am for 4 and 6 purchase.
4 and 6.
A
Mr.
Goswami.
A. Goswami learned standing council
Purchase.
or forest department. Respondent. Accordingly, writ resistance closed on withdrawal with the liberty to avail the appropriate remedy as may be permissible under the law.
Only.
24.
Well, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. U.S. Bora. Today he is not available.
Huh?
Today he is not available. Well, in this case, the affidavit have also not filed by the respondent.
What is the matter about?
Matter, my lord, regarding, my lord, correction.
Class of land measuring one and yes, you have received the instruction.
No, lordship, we already been communicated.
Heard Mr.
Legal lordship.
D. Gogoi, learned counsel. Appearing for respondent petition, Mr. Your name is there.
No, my lord, on behalf of Mr. U.S. Bora.
Swearing on behalf of Mr. U.S. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. You are U.S. Bora. Then whose name has to be recorded?
His number.
But Mr. U.S. Bora, learned counsel for the petition. Next one. As spread for by London counsel for Mr. London counsel Mr. J. Hendrick. London State Counsel Mr. J. Hendrick. But the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit notice.
Or if possible, then one, then maybe. Only one day.
18.
18 July. less.
Big levels.
25.
Please, your lordship,
Yes.
respondents, they have not yet filed their affidavit.
Also, I have received my instructions when I.
Mr. MS
Tin Lung.
Tinlung. Only
My
Tinlung.
lord, I have also received one instruction. As per my
MS.
instruction, not
Yeah.
that the society which is not fall under the jurisdiction of the Gulaghat.
Then
Comes under the jurisdiction of Gauhati also, that instructions we have.
And
Then-
even they are paired or kindly.
yes.
They are paired or the para 8 lordship. The authority is allowed to the petitioner society to function as per existing jurisdictional area. The jurisdictional area is not a Gauhati district.
Can file the affidavit, lordship. Or we call it.
At MS Tinlung, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Which one? J. Hendrick, learned state counsel, and Mr.
G board lordship.
D. Bordolai. G.
G board.
Bordolai, learned counsel for
The
respondent.
Standing Council Corporation Department.
Is technical comprehensive department submits that they have received an instruction which they would like to bring on record by affidavit. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks, prayer is allowed, list after 3 weeks.
Alright.
District 27.
In this matter, my lord, we have received instruction, my lord, we will file an affidavit, my lord.
Swami,
A specific date
yes,
may be fixed.
no, yesterday's that
I have already communicated, madam.
Australian he's there or he has been deported?
No, madam, I communicated it as well, definitely. I
Because,
talked to the Calcutta office as well.
because yesterday it was due to positive time. I corrected around 1 o'clock, I mean 1:30.
No, we have already uploaded the
You got
order.
the order, right? But I could sign around 3:34 only
Madam.
after the court.
Otherwise also I communicated to them.
Okay. So, heard Mr. UK Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioners. As prayed for by Mr.
M. Satyaman.
M. Chetty, learned state counsel. List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable them to file affidavit in opposition.
A specific date may be fixed, otherwise, madam.
Give the date 18, 19. 19 July.
Highly obliged.
Then
21.
28.
these matters, 26, 20. Would you correction go main डाले इकबाल order को बनूंगा upload देता हूँ correction को main देगा yes.
On appearance for the side of petitioner.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, the matter is about GST cancellation, lordship.
Hmm.
The registration was cancelled because of the non-filing of returns.
Huh?
Because of the non-filing of returns, lordship, may come to page 26 and exhibit.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, lordship, otherwise the cover matter, lordship.
What cover matter?
Lordship, the GST cancellation matter. Your lordship, order is also there, lordship.
No, this is not, he's not there.
Okay.
None appears for the petitioner on call list after. 4 weeks.
Activity 36.
Yes, sir.
Yes. May after the time being, my seniors on legs.
What is the matter, sir? Matter
Your
about?
lordship had heard, my lord, first your lordship heard and granted interim order that is continuing, and thereafter also your lordship is heard. Matter is matter regarding cancellation of trade certificate trade license of a agent sub agency.
Honda.
Honda.
Jagriti Honda.
Yes. No, I am Anamika.
Eh?
Jagriti Honda is the main, my lord, agent. I am the sub agent.
You are Anamika Enterprise.
Yes. Tomorrow, I got another case now.
This is also last case only.
Yes.
This is the last case, is not it? Huh?
Because
That is the order only.
I got other matter in hearing in court number 10, my lord. Item 4.
Lordship, sometime.
Sometime now, more now.
Heard Mr.
That is after vacation. That.
Heard Mr. R.P. Sharma, learned senior counsel assisted by MS. Tisom. Tisom. Tisom.
Yes, yes.
Learned counsel for the petition.
Hello, R.B. Goswami for the Transport Department.
Mr. R.B.
Goswami.
Goswami, learned counsel, standing counsel,
Transport.
Transport Department. And also, as agreed to by learned counsel both parties, list this matter after.
After vacation.
After 4 weeks, we'll say just 4 weeks. R.B. Goswami. R.B. Goswami. He is assisting.
Interim order will continue.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Obliged.
Order item 29.
Lordship, I am for respond number 5, 6, and 7. We filed our affidavit.
You have filed.
However, your lordship, as per the last order dated 29/11/24, the respondent side, which is the IGPL, yet to file their affidavit, your lordship.
Who is IGPL?
Probably it is represented by Mr.
Respond number?
Respondent number. Sorry, I'm not IGPL, I mean, respondent number 4, basically. The settlement.
You have filed the affidavit.
5, 6, and 7.
Therefore,
I am the
That's
private
private
respondent.
respondent.
Okay. Heard Mr.
ZH Bora.
Z.H.
Bora.
Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS.
K. Bhattacharya.
K. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the respond number 5, 6, and 7 submits that she has already filed the affidavit on behalf of respondent 5, 6, and 7. Then you are there. You don't want to file. As spread for by Mr. J. Henry, learned counsel, listed counsel. As spread for by, so and so. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. Enough.
Possibly.
Is ordered chamber में. There is one.